So very, it's me good morning and I'm back with some daily life video. Today I'm going to do, I think I'm in Sharjah and Dubai. I'm going to do Al-Nada. I'm going to do like go down and show you the rain. So guys, come with me. So guys, I'm in the lift here. Guys, I'm actually going to buy something. So actually here's the rain. I'll show you again guys. It is like super damn hard. I don't want my mobile to get wet. That's why I'm just showing you like this. So guys, it is like really hard. Even now my mobile is gonna be wet. So I gotta go somewhere safe. Guys, see? Can you see a rubber band here? Hey, so much rain. So much rain. It will be the first time. Oh, it's dry, guys. That's really shit. One more car is coming, guys. See the wheels of the tires are like the car's tires are like half in the water, guys. Oh, it's so cold here, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. It's so cold, it's super cold. Whenever it rains in any place, I think so, then it will be sad. Right? Happens, I think so. I will be like, what the hell is this guy doing? So, guys, I'm gonna buy something from the shop. Shop's name is Saad Al Khalij. I'm gonna buy. It's really rainy. My glasses are also getting wet. My shoes are also getting wet. Even my shirt is getting wet. It's really cold. Even I just came from school because it was raining so hard in the morning, so that's why I came from school. So guys, I'm in the shop here. I'm gonna buy, what should I buy, guys? Let's buy, really cold here. Let's buy, I think so you should buy big Cheetos. Like this. Let's see how much it's good. How कितने का है? So guys, I just bought what you guys told me. Guys, you told me what to buy. Oh, okay, that should be a world record. A car went like so speed like this. But more than this, the whole water on the side came, boom, till here it came till here. So guys, my mobile actually is getting wet. I better go in like a shade or something. The cars are making a lot of sound, guys. I better shout loudly. See? Whoa. The car is more faster than that, guys. The car is like super duper fast. So guys, you told me what to buy. I bought the same thing here. So I'm going to home now. As I told you guys, like, subscribe, comment, share, everything. There is something in the comment section below. And anything. Goodbye.